Hey guys, and welcome back to the homestead. We have done an upgrade for our stock tank. We had some concrete guys come out and give us a concrete pad for our stock tank. It is in the middle it's a 4-inch concrete pad, and on the edges it's a 6-inch concrete pad. It's 6 inches of concrete for 1 foot, so there's a 1 foot lip on the bottom of it that makes it a 6-inch pad. And Cooper even came through. We did kind of the Hollywood Walk of Fame for him, and he put his little croc imprints in here in his hands, and we wrote Cooper 21. Getting ready to move the stock tank back on, and we'll show you that, and we'll get it put together, and we'll show you how we put together. We are going to replace a few parts, mainly just seals and stuff like that, and get the stock tank up and going for the year. Alright, so we got the stock tank cleaned for the most part and moved up onto the pad. Now we're going to put in the returns and the inlet through the holes that we have drilled through the tank. And so basically what we've done in ours, we have 3 holes. We have 2 returns on the bottom and one inlet on the top. And so the water gets sucked out of the 2 returns, goes back to the pump, and get circulated back out through this 1 hole. And we kind of did that for basically safety reasons. That way we have a 4-year-old, and if he got stuck on one, it wouldn't suck him completely in. It would vacuum through the other side, and he just wouldn't get stuck to it. So kind of a safety thing. We were both ex-lifeguards, so that's what we came up with. This year, because we were redoing the pole, we went and got these return gaskets. I don't know if you can see that or not. There we go. Got these return gaskets to replace the gaskets at the 2 outlets in the return. And this is our return. It's a little dirty, but that's okay. It's just a return with this is our source. It's with a directional ball type thing on it, so we can aim it however we want it. But put a gasket on this side, and then these are basically the nuts on the other side. So just throw and orient it the way you want it, and the gasket goes on the other side. And then the nut gets screwed down. It's kind of important to get that centered up on the hole, because of the size of the hole that we drilled. We want it centered up so that no water leaks through. And hand tight usually works with those. If you get a leak, you can do tighter, but hand tight usually works. Splash away, Coop.